Bryce Lawrence Gaspar, a third-year Bachelor of Science in Physics, medical with specialization in medical instrumentation. Having a bachelor's degree in physics would literally give you a long way, because in physics you will be trained to have the skills of analysis, mathematical comprehension, mathematical computation. Most of our graduates are working almost everywhere in the Philippines and all over the world. We have graduates that are in Germany taking up their postdocs, mostly here in Asia and some in Europe. Relative to my course, my course would take me to a master's degree in medical physics. So more or less, I would become a medical physicist. As medical physicists, we work inside hospitals. One of our graduates, and most of our graduates are head consultants in the hospitals here in the Philippines, especially in the radiation oncology and the imaging department. As medical physicists, we are responsible for taking care, taking quality assurance with regards to the radioactive materials that are used in imaging, like the PET scan and the X-ray machines that produces X-rays, which are radiation. We also have the material science degree program, which focuses on the semiconductor properties of materials which are employed in semiconductor companies like Fujitsu and TDK. In previous years, we also had bachelor in physics with computer applications, which are now employed in IBM. They work as consultants in systems and failure analysis with regards to their products. And we also have a pre-med course that is destined for is track for med school, and it could also be a track for the medical physics course. So with regards to our course, the medical physics, or the physics with the medical part, we can go to different fields of physics like health physics, medical physics, environmental physics, and the likes. To pursue our course, you really need to have guts. You really need to have the courage to take everything that goes in front of you, or that is brought to you by the teacher. Physics is, some say, is a hard course, but it only takes courage to take it. In the lighter side, you need the mathematical skills as usual for a science course. The mathematical skills that you need to apply for your different equations, the concepts that you need for your research. You also need the imaginative and creative insight to bring out the answer that you need in your problems. Actually, it's not the learning part, it's the enhancing part that you would benefit from the physics degree. Being a graduate of physics, as I've said, would enhance your thinking capabilities, or imaginative capabilities, and your reasoning capabilities. Because in physics, we explain everything. Explain from the smallest thing, from the atom to the biggest planet, stars in the world. We reason out how they work, how they move about. So that's one thing that you are trained to be, having a physics degree. The reasoning capabilities and imaginative abilities that one's need for everything or any application in life. Difficulties. the math is difficult. I mean, for a first time that you see an equation, blackboard full of equations with different letters, different symbols, you would be overwhelmed. That's the difficult part. But as you go on through your studies, the difficulty would be diminished, and you would get used to the different equation, different terminologies, different applications, and yet all you need is the reasoning and imaginative skills to overcome the difficulty.